you want to 3x your sales on Target Plus, then let's uncover some simple and game-changing strategies to increase sales on Target. To do this, we need to increase our content health as high as possible. The higher our content health, the higher we can generate sales. Look at this. As you can see, there are some high priority conditions. Like so many of our items have no reviews, some are missing size chart, some have unanswered questions. Now our content score is 86. We need to try to get close to 90. But never should let it drop below 80. Better content health will let us get better visibility, CTR and conversions. Now let me show you how to get this report and how to fix those problem areas. From your target seller account, open Performance menu and click on Item Insights. From this page, download the score report by clicking here. Now open the file. Okay, this is our report. The first sheet shows our content scorecard. Right now our content health is 86, which is pretty decent. You will get good sales with this rating. The higher your rating, the better. Don't let it drop under 80. In this section, we can see how many of our SKUs are affected due to content health issues. Like we have about 300 SKUs with no reviews, more than 700 have no videos, some don't have any size chart, some have unanswered questions and so on. Now that we know some of our SKUs have those issues, now it's time to identify them. Let's move to the next sheet. It is called item level details. It has all the SKUs, but we need to focus on this column called content health score. Here they use 3 colors to identify the content health: green, yellow and red. Green refers the health is good, and yellow refers there are room for improvements, and the red means it is bad. As you can see, we have some of our SKUs have yellow markings. Let's see why it happened. Look, these SKUs have unanswered questions. These items don't have any reviews. At least one review can help a lot. These two have no size chart and most of them don't have videos. So answering customers' questions, having reviews, having size chart and videos are really important in Target. These things helps to improve content health, and better content health means bigger sales. This way, analyze your SKUs and identify which SKUs have those content related issues and solve them. Now in this sheet, Target has some suggestions for sellers. Like you need to upload at least 3 images. You need to answer the customer's question within 48 hours. Minimum 8 reviews will give you 10% content health. Long copy, that means description should be contains at least 50 words. You can insert 4 to 50 bullet features. And adding size chart will increase your content health by 5%. So this way you can analyze and identify the room for your improvement. When you improve them, your content health rating will be increased. In Target, higher content health will automatically bring you higher visibility, CTR and conversions. And ultimately, it will bring you higher profit. Remember, like I said before, your average content health score would be above 80. Try to get as close as 90, but never fall below 80. And if you follow these things, you will see increase your sales and your profit as well. Target has a huge advantage that no other marketplace has. Unlike Amazon, you can rank your product organically. So why not craft a listing with keyword optimization and get organic sales? The character limit for product title is 150 characters. So make sure you complete the title within the limit. Short tip here, mobile users usually see 70 characters in the search result. So put your important information within the 70 characters. Also, shoppers love to interact with more images. So try to provide additional image to show more information about your product like lifestyle, infographics and feature images. There are few products in a same niche. So competitive pricing can impact a huge. If you explore a category, you will see most of the top selling items are priced very competitively. So what we suggest, try to start with a lower price than your competitor. If they are selling at 14.99, then you can start with 13.99 or 12.99. When you get good amount of sales and reviews, Then slowly increase your price and reach to your target price. Running discount and deals can be your trump card when you are desperate to get more sales in a short time. Target shoppers are really driven by those buy one get one free type of deals. You can offer gift cards to impress them. If you need urgent money, then run limited time offers. And you can also get to the Target's clearance section to stock out your inventory. Lastly, Target cares about the customer service a lot. Your product should be shipped within 24 hours and should reach to the customer's hand within 5 days. Respond to every question they have and try to solve them. And try to get positive reviews as many as possible. If you follow these strategies, definitely it will help you to increase your sales. But still, if you have any confusion or question, you can comment us or email us at info@ecomclips.com. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Have peace.